Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we make logo design inside Canva for free. That's good news. Let's get right into it. Open Canva account and just log in with the Gmail ID and then search for the logo design. Lots of free templates will pop up with you. You can just pick any one of them. That is not the pro version. If you have the pro account, so then you will have no difficulty to choose anyone that you like. But for now, I don't have any pro account inside Canva. So for example, I just click on this free template and I'll just customize this. Right. So for example, if you want to make logo, right? You already know what logos are, right? These are the monograms. Sometimes people call this. You can call this, delete this one, and click on upload. And for example, I just wanna drag this one for now. Alright, and let me just drag it upward like this, and I'll just write down the on shape, and let me just minimize the text size, and I'll just say production factory, and let me just drag it like this, drag it like this, and right now good news, right? Click and share, download, select the file format, and that you just want to download this file and you're happy. That's all. Thanks for watching.